What if someone finally fixed the biggest problem in multi-material 3D printing? Not worked around it, actually fixed it at the hardware level, in a desktop machine under $1,800. That's exactly what Soval is claiming with the M1D, and right now it might be the most talked about 3D printer of 2026. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into it. Here's what makes the M1D genuinely different. Every other multicolor printer on the market uses the same approach. One nozzle, multiple filaments, flush and repeat. It works, but it all shares the same painful flaw: waste. Enormous, expensive purge waste sitting next to your finished print like a receipt you never asked for. Soval decided the problem wasn't software or slicer settings. It was the hardware architecture itself. And that belief is what built the M1D. So what's actually inside this thing? Soval built it around a dual X architecture that combines two technologies that have always lived in separate price brackets. First, a true IDEX system with two independently moving print heads. Then on top of that, a full tool changing system. One fixed head plus 6 additional swappable tool heads that the printer calls into action automatically. Together, that gives you support for up to 7 colors or materials, with tool swaps happening in around 5 seconds using a patented metal gripper. The result? Instead of flushing one nozzle repeatedly every time a color changes, the printer just picks up a different tool head that's already loaded and ready. Less waste, faster transitions, cleaner prints. If it works as advertised, it doesn't just improve multicolor printing, it changes the economics of it entirely. The rest of the specs are genuinely competitive. 300 by 300 by 350 millimeter build volume. Print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. Eddy current bed leveling. Built-in camera with spaghetti and foreign object detection. A 5-inch touchscreen. And 2 features that deserve more attention than they're getting: mirror mode and copy mode. Mirror mode prints paired geometry simultaneously. Copy mode prints 2 identical parts in one session. For small businesses, that's not just convenient. That's a direct productivity multiplier. The pricing is aggressive too. Retail sits around $1,799, with Kickstarter early backers locking in at approximately $1,299. For a machine with this feature set, those numbers are going to force some uncomfortable conversations at competing companies. Now, the honest part: nobody outside Soval has independently verified any of this yet. The complexity here is real. IDEX mechanics, tool changing, vision calibration, 6 swappable heads, detection systems. More moving parts means more potential failure points. And the software needs to match the hardware ambition, which is never guaranteed with a first-generation product. Until real reviewers get production units and start pushing this machine hard, everything stays in the category of bold promises rather than proven performance. But here's the bigger picture. The M1D isn't just a printer launch. It's a signal about where desktop 3D printing is heading. The speed race has run its course. The new conversation is about efficiency, material flexibility, and smarter workflows. And Soval is asking exactly the right questions. If they deliver, the M1D could be one of the most disruptive desktop printers we've seen in years. And if they don't, the ideas inside it will still influence what every other company builds next. So tell me, does the tool-changing approach genuinely excite you? Or do you think the complexity is going to hold it back? Drop it in the comments. If this breakdown helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our hands-on coverage when units start shipping. I'll catch you in the next one.